In this project, you'll blink two LEDs back and forth and play two tones one after another, creating a police siren effect. In the void setup function, you'll need three pin mode functions. The first has the arguments to and output. That's an LED light on port 2. The second pin mode is a 6 output, and that's an LED light on port 6. Finally, you have A5 set as an output with the pin mode function, and that's your speaker. Within the void loop, the first thing you'll do is use the digital write function to set port 2 high. This is going to turn on your LED light. Next, you'll use a digital write function to turn off port 6. This ensures that only one of your LED lights is on at a time. Next, use the tone function to send a hertz value of 500 hertz to port A5, where the speaker is plugged in, and delay for 1000 milliseconds with this delay 1000 function with one LED on and a tone of 500 hertz playing on the speaker. You don't need this blank line of code, but I added it to help me organize the two halves of this program, turning on the first LED and playing the first tone, and the second half turning on the second LED and playing the second tone. You'll notice that the second half of this program is very similar to the first. It's almost a mirror image. So first, you'll use the digital write function with arguments to and low to turn off the first LED on port 2. Next, you'll use the digital write function with arguments 6 and high to turn on the second LED. Using the tone function, you'll send a value of 1500 hertz to port A5 where the speaker is plugged in. And you'll use the delay function with an argument of 1000 for 1000 milliseconds to hold LED 6 on and a tone of 1500 playing on port 5 for 1 second before the code reaches the closing curly brace of the void loop function and jumps back up to line 10 and starts running the void loop again. You'll notice that there isn't any no tone function in this program. You don't have to stop one tone from playing on the speaker before you start playing another tone. By doing this on lines 12 and 17, you're just flipping the tone back and forth between 500 and 1500 hertz without ever having a pause where there's no sound at all on the speaker.